Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Science for Everyone. Today the video is specific to an announcement about a 2 days hands-on workshop on R programming that will be hosted by Dr. Masood Rahman Kiani, a principal investigator of Metagenomic Discovery Lab and an associate professor at National University of Sciences and Technology, Islamabad. So about the workshop, it basically consists of 3 modules. The first module is basics of R programming, the second is data analysis, and the third is data visualization. So in the first module, that is basically basics of R programming, the first step will be the explanation of basic interface. So it will be basically a bit theoretical. After that, we will help you to understand installation of R packages using different methods. Further, it will include the basic understanding of R syntax that will include variables, data structures, and functions. After that, in the second module, that is basically the data analysis, we will start with the basic data analysis. We will help you to understand data structure, subsetting, finding missing values, duplicates, min, max, merging datasets, etc., etc. After getting the understanding of the above mentioned steps, we will give you an exercise that will be basically raw data, and you will be allowed to perform the analysis. After that, we will give you a hands-on training of correlations, finding out different types of correlation, and how to find principal component analysis. After that, we will start with the third module, that is basically the data visualization. So after getting sufficient information and effective training of the basic data analysis, we will start with the data visualization that will consist of constructing box plots, PCA plots, bar plots, area plots, and heat maps. So let's talk about the venue. Basically, it will be conducted at National University of Sciences and Technology, Islamabad, at School of Interdisciplinary Engineering and Sciences. And for your ease, this is the building of NUST, and this is the building of School of Interdisciplinary Engineering and Sciences. Furthermore, for the ease of different participants, it will be conducted online via Zoom. So you can easily participate either on-site or online. So the date and time of the workshop is basically 26th and 27th April 2025, and it will start at 10 a.m. at morning and it will end at 4 p.m. at evening. The fee structure of this workshop is 3,500 rupees will be paid by a single candidate, and if there is a group of more than 2 candidates, so 3,000 PKR will be charged from each candidate. So basically this is a group discount. So for registration, you can scan the QR code that will help you to fill a Google form of the specific workshop. So the last date of apply is 24th April 2025. For more information, you can contact us at these 2 provided numbers. Thank you very much, and we are eagerly looking forward for your arrival. Allah Hafiz.